Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Linane, and my current field placement is at Children's Law Center. I work with dually involved youth, doing case management, and our big picture goal is to help the youth get off of probation and meet all their probation terms in order to do that. My job title is, or my day job apart from that is working at a recovery facility with adult men who are working on getting back on their feet. It's a program through AB 109 where they have 4 months at this program, and I do case management with them as well. So it's a lot of resourcing and supporting them just in goal setting and things like that. What I am hoping to get out of this class is finding both immediate interventions to trauma and also long-term solutions, kind of that bigger macro picture of what do we do about trauma and how do we break cycles of trauma in people's lives and in our society. And also just some of my answers to some of my questions about trauma. One of those being how do we support people when we don't know what trauma they've experienced, and what do we do about trauma when it is such a hidden reality. I think that, so as far as how I find it relevant to my future career, I absolutely find trauma relevant to my future career. I do plan on working with traumatized populations, and I want to serve this population well, and so I want to keep reforming my approach to trauma and finding new ways to have a trauma-informed approach, and to ultimately help support this population and do justice instead of harm. So ways that I will do self-care this semester. This was something that I had to think about a little bit more because I've been finding it difficult to do self-care recently given COVID and just having a really busy schedule, and I think that's something I've been struggling with, and I do really want to do self-care this semester. And so 3 ways that I will try to do that is, one, finding a new therapist. I'm just moving here and haven't been able to do that yet, and I think that will definitely be a form of self-care for me. Having really good time management, that's something that I'm also working on, and kind of going along with that, just having strong boundaries, getting enough sleep, and having a time set for everything. I'm also going to try to set Sunday apart as kind of a self-care day and having that be more set apart for that, because that's the only day that I don't work. So I want that to be my day off. I want to be able to rest and do something fun and relaxing for myself. So I'm excited to get to know all of you guys more and hear about everything that you are up to and how trauma is relevant to you as well.